In this lesson, moving forward, I'm going to demonstrate how to download quickly the Atom editor for our code. We will be using this editor, and then also the Bootstrap files that are required. So a couple of things that I'm going to demonstrate how to download. Again, pretty straightforward. Let me run through this. Okay, so let's search for our Bootstrap first, and just simply click on the link where it says Bootstrap, or you can navigate directly to the getbootstrap.com. So click on this, and you can simply click on download, and it will download the Bootstrap for you. So the current version is 3.3.6. Pretty straightforward, just downloads a zip file, and then you install the zip file. So once you download and save it on your computer, let me quickly show you that also. So let's go to our Windows Explorer here, and within my htdocs, by the way, once you configure your XAMPP server, you'll have this folder called htdocs, which is important because everything inside htdocs is where we'll be working with. So let me scroll down here. Okay, here it is. So once you've downloaded the zip file for Bootstrap, for example, you extract the files, and here's the trick, right? So here's the important part. So within the Bootstrap folder, there are 3 folders: CSS, fonts, and JS. So all you have to do is just, again, copy these folders to one of the folders that you're going to be creating inside htdocs as your workable folders, whether it's tutorial, whether it's SI578, or any name that you give. So this is something that you will create. So for instance, within the tutorial folder that I've created, I already have these 3 files: CSS, font, and JS. So just download Bootstrap, extract the zip files, and place these 3 folders within the folders that you'll be working with. Just that simple. Once you have these Bootstrap files, let me next show you how to download Atom editor also. Okay, so let's go back to our Google, go home, and just you can go directly to atom.io, or you can just Google it, call Atom editor, and click on the atom.io URL. It'll take you to the Atom site. You can simply download the Windows installer to install the Atom, and it looks like this. So pretty powerful editor, flexible, although there are others available as well, but I find this very easy to use, especially if you're coding all day long. This is much easier to work with. So once Atom is installed, you can simply open the software, and it'll look like something like this. So I hope this helps. Practice downloading these softwares, and let's move to our next lesson.